Hello guys, welcome to Miracle Tech Zone, and today I'm going to show you one Samsung J5 phone power button is not working. So we can fix it from home only, no need to go any service center anywhere. So it's just a simple method, and here you can see it's not working properly. So it's just a simple method, and I will show you how to do it. Okay, first of all, what we need a screwdriver. If you have any rubber piece, like you can use any rubber band also, and one piece of rubber band, and we need one installation tab, like transparent and simple as one in one. So we can use only the three tools you need to fix this problem. Okay, and let's start the video. So first of all, we need to take out the battery, and we have to open the case. So just take out all screws from the phone. We have to take out the display connector part. Okay, this kind this one also, it's better. And next, what you have to do, you have to put like this. Okay, your nail you have to keep between this in the cap, and just press from the back side. Okay, just press like this, and you can see it's coming out. This side also you have to same way, and this side also. Okay, now it's coming out, just like this. And you can reconnect the battery and the display connector, and where you want to go and repair the switch. And here, this is our switch actually, and this part rubber is gone bad, that's why it's not working properly. So you have to just put our external some rubber piece here and just tap it, then it will be work. So let's see how the power button, how is it. So here's the power button. Here the power button is working very well, so don't worry about the power button. And only the outer button is problem, so the rubber which is gone. And okay, let's fix. Actually the rubber bush like this only, you can see here this is a volume rubber bush. You can see a little bit thin, we need a little bit like this small piece. Okay, so just keep it there and just clean the area. Just take a scissor or blade or something. Take a small piece of rubber from here, like this, one square piece. Like this one piece you have to take. You can see the thickness, it's very less, so you can see. And just keep here in the middle of the power button, just take one piece of the insulation tab. Here we take a small piece of insulation tab and just keep the positions very well. Okay, on the middle only we just keep and just put the tab on the top. Okay, and let's fix. And here you can cut the extra part for the finishing. So just cut out the extra part of insulation tab and here also. Okay. And here we're almost done. And next we have to check how is the button is working or not. You have to keep first the bottom side and the down. Just keep like this and just press it. I'm sorry, like actually I didn't put the volume button. First of all, I'll check the power button is working or not. Yes, it's working. And I'll just put the battery and let's see it's getting on or not. Yes, now it's working. So now I'm going to fix not fix, I'm just actually I forgot to fix the volume button, so I'll just insert the volume button, then I will repair the phone. Okay, here the volume button, and this way. Okay, this way and just. Okay, refix the again. Oh, come on, man. Just keep it like this. hello guys, now we have fixed the power button. So here you can see the power button is working very well. So I hope guys you are enjoyed this video, so please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.